Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to display code in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply find in the Chrome option or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. And then you have to simply go to the edit site option. And here you can see we are in our edit site, and here you can see this is the site that we have created for our test. Then what you need to do is simply click on the three dot icon in the top navigation right hand side. Here you will get the option of code editor, and here you have to just simply click on it, or also you can just go for Control plus Shift plus Alt plus M, and after that it will simply open up the code editor, and then just simply click on it, and after that here you can see that all the codes for this website is showing here in this page. And now you can just simply display your code here, and also you can change it from here. Then after that you have to just simply click on save option from here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.